We've got Carnivore Q's fresh 250 rolling out of the shop today, guys, going on man AJ. Now, fun fact, this ain't AJ's first TMG pit. All right, he's actually already got a volunteer, one of our backyard smokers, on a trailer package, but he was ready for an upgrade. Now, AJ actually came to Wing Fest with us last year, guys. Look up Wing Fest, big chicken wing competition here in Knoxville. We love to see all y'all out there. He came last year, set up, actually won Rookie of the Year. This year, he said he's coming back with his new rig, and he says he's gonna take the grand champion from us. I doubt that, AJ. TMG is going to be on top this year. But anyways, we're going to help you out, brothers. Wish you luck. Let's check out his rig here. Now, like I said, 250 all loaded up on our single axle trailer, guys. Like always, we build all of our trailers in-house, design around your setup. This one here, we've got quite a bit of storage up front here, as well as the tongue area. Y'all know the deal. You're never going to have enough storage space. On the smoker here, we've got our 250. Open this thing up. Quite a bit more space than his volunteer, so he's really gonna enjoy this. We got full bottom trays down here, both sliding top racks. Of course, our hand fabricated three-dimensional hinges, handles, stainless steel accents, stainless steel logo on the side, of course, Carnivores Que. Open up the firebox here. On the firebox, guys, all of our tank smokers get fully insulated fireboxes. The door's insulated, the pipe's insulated, and the front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. On the trailer package, we've got a 6,000-pound brake axle, powder coat finish. Really go all out on our trailers. We've got a stainless steel prep top back here. So that folds up. Got all your storage underneath. Fold it down, prep off of it, serve off of it. You're ready to rock and roll. Up next, we've got our roll-off. This is one of our larger direct heat cookers. Guys, one thing AJ does is he will smoke his chicken wings on the smoker, throw them on the roll-off, and crisp them up. So that works out great. These direct heat cookers are very versatile. So on this one, we've got a removable top grate. It lifts up out of there. Down here, open up the double doors. We've got two sliding top racks here. Insulated on the bottom, holds heat great, very easy to run. Next to that, we have got our double burner set up with the folding griddle. Guys, our griddle's 1/4-inch plate steel. It folds up out of the way, sets your pot or pan up there on top of the burners. They're individually regulated. Those are 10-inch cast iron propane burners, gonna last forever. Spare tire up front as well. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.